Sure. On the small cap, we think that a great theme within the small cap would be something which is more export oriented and import substitution oriented. Those are the themes that we have added. And in most themes that we have added, it's a pick and shovel approach as opposed to direct plays into those areas. So one company which is kind of feeding into US agri and capital goods space because we anticipate a lot of rebuilding happening, a lot of reconstruction, or a lot of build out happening overall in the US market. That company is a direct beneficiary of that. That's what we have added in the portfolio. We have added a healthcare company catering to LATAM and US markets. We have added a car, as we've seen the sales of two-wheeler, four-wheeler, etc. going up. We have added a platform company which kind of aids that process of buying, etc. So we have added a few names in the portfolio which are more a pick and shovel approach as opposed to direct plays. And I think more and more incrementally we are adding to the theme of exports and import substitutions within the existing portfolio names that we have had as well. So I think we are constantly, so like last month, about a month and a half, we have added about four new stocks in the portfolio. That's where you see the count go to 56 as opposed to what was 51, 52. And we are slowly exiting something that, have run up and, trimming our exposure at that kind of goes up significantly. Like auto ancillary is a space where we got in very early March last year. And we have seen that run up in most of the auto ancillary stocks that we added that time. And now slowly as it kind of, juices up and gives us returns, we have kind of trimming those exposures and adding to new names that we have. So in the transition, we have seen the number of names go up a bit, but I think it will come back and revert back to that 50, 52 names that we would like to have within the portfolio. Good quality names with enough exposure to each name so that when it delivers, it adds to your returns and does not, just be a namesake in the portfolio.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme related documents carefully.